You love your kitty. You loving on your kitty. Kitty give you kisses? Oh, you gave kitty kisses. That's nice. She gonna get you. She got you. Where's Kitty's foot? She gonna get you. Get her foot. Get her foot. Oh. Did she get your foot? Oh, she got you. Nope, you got her foot. There's your foot. She got you. She wants you to get it so she can get you. Did the kitty give you kisses? Did she kiss your finger? Night night? Oh, you getting comfy on Mama's bed? It's nice, huh? It's nice. So I finally made an appointment at the doctor's for her face tomorrow, and now look, it's almost cleared up. Oh, sorry, you can't like when it's fuzzy. It was almost like open sore yesterday. Now it's pretty again. I'm gonna help you up. What are you doing? Oh no, Knickers. Charity's in Mama's bed. Charity's in Mama's bed. Knickers, go get her. Get her, Knickers. I'm sorry, babe. I know I'm behind on videos, so we're just filming. We're just filming. Where's Charity? Nigga got you. She got, look it. She got the blanket, huh? Charity said, get off the blanket, Knickers. Get her, Knickers. Get her. Get her, Knickers. Is that Bear? You love Bear? Is Bear your baby? Knickers got a tail. Hey! You better be nice.